there is proximity sensors. Like, I'm watching private data, okay, my application. So whenever somebody's coming from back, it disappears. This is an example of a sensor in Windows. It's built in Windows 7 actually. Okay, human presence. You can rather than having a camera with motion sensor, you can sense the human presence. There is a sensor specifically for human presence. Okay, can count how many humans, what's the distance. So you can use this in not face. There is face recognition, but I'm talking about simple sensors that can tell you there is a human coming and coming this direction. What's the distance? Okay, so this have a good application in security.
Yeah, one example like I mentioned is that there are some kiosks in big malls like in Dubai. Whenever you are approaching this screen, a face, a human face is displayed and it moves toward you and say.
This is for advertisement.
Yeah.
So it has so many applications. You can have the electric. How hard have you heard about SCADA? How hard is it to make SCADA system? It's very hard. Okay. What about this? Is very simple compared to it. So you can have remote sensing and interacting with it. Okay. So your application can have alerts, can have interaction with humans. That's why I talked about XNA, robotics, and sensor and location platform. They are related.
Is the equivalent of the open graphic environment in the open source? XNA?
No.
To build an environment, a virtual environment.
You're talking about XNA? XNA, you can make a simulation. It's used actually for robotics simulation and gaming. It's not an open source, it's an SDK from Microsoft.
I know, it's the equivalent of.
Yeah, you'll find many equivalents in.
One content that you talked about applying with all data and for the MF stuff and the MF.
It's up to your imagination. I'm not telling you this has to be applied like this. It's up to you. I'm just giving you new tools, okay, to be more creative.
So you can create more content will let you create whatever kind of content you have.
It's up to you. There is defined. If you can find the sensor that's matching Windows, it's certified by Windows, you can use it the way you want. Okay, and you can create more sophisticated scenarios like you have.
Environment to create the platform as much as I want.
It's up to you. Here I'm putting XNA with sensor and location platform. They are not related. It's not always you're using them together. Just to show you an example. Okay, so there is a potential in games. Okay, you can make great games with this for XNA. But in business, in real life situations, you can have a lot of benefit of this platform. Like, you can extend it. Like you're having a Windows platform, monitoring some sensors, and you're going with the data through Basetalk, WCF, to another Windows or non-Windows applications at the back end. It's endless, endless implementations. It's up to you. I'm just telling you about a tool.
How about the platform for the machine? Do you need the full-fledged PC
No,
or laptop embedded? I'm talking about embedded to PCs.
I believe there is Windows 7 embedded or not yet. I'm not sure, but it can run on tablet PC. It's not necessary for fledged. No, this is specific for Windows 7. Okay, you can do all this stuff the old way. Okay, but you'll have to interact with you have to know the manufacturer, the model, specific SDKs. This is Windows 7 is taking away all this complexity. You can plug and play any sensor that's have a category and the type, okay, and provide some data fields, which is standard. You don't know about the brand, you don't know about, you can query the brand and everything, but you don't care. Your application will run.
So you get rid of the APIs that are provided from the company?
Yeah, the specific ones. Okay, it's a standard.
If I want to run it on an old operating system, can I package it and install it?
This is provided by Windows 7 itself.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's a platform. You have to run it on a platform.
Yes. If you want these great features, you have to use Windows 7. Okay. So, actually we are done here. So continue the questions if you want. Resources. You can find multiple resources. This is my blog, my personal one. So I will post all these links and stuff maybe today or tomorrow. But the most interesting one, this one. blogs.msdn.com, sensor and location. This will give you everything you want. Okay? So, any other questions? I have no issue. If you want it now, I can give it to you. No problem. So, do you find this topic interesting? Great.
Can we do that? Any framework version 2, 3.5?
Sorry, I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
This code is a specific for framework version, or you can do it in 2 or 3.5?
No, actually, I'm using a wrapper. Okay, I'll provide the source code for it to access APIs. This is Windows SDK. You need Windows SDK. Okay, so it's actually what was built to be used by C++, Visual C++. Okay, but there is a .NET wrapper for it. You can use it using. I'm using 2008. Okay, because of the XNA version I have, but it's up to you. As you, the more important thing is you have Windows 7. Okay, it will run only on Windows 7.
Microsoft Robotics R3 is running on Windows 7.
Sorry?
Microsoft Robotics 3.
No. Robotics is a different issue. We have 3 different topics I'm proposing. Sensor and location platform, this is Windows 7 specific feature, new feature. XNA, which is a gaming and simulation platform for Zune, Xbox, and the new version of Windows Phone plus Windows. Okay? And Microsoft Robotics. Microsoft Robotics is a very advanced topic. We'll keep it till the end. Okay? But it's a different issue. I'm talking about a track. I'm talking about we will start together a new track. Okay?
But how about the actual thing? When you said Microsoft Robotics 2008, can I use this API, this library that Windows 7 provided?
Yeah, you can mix and match between the 3 topics, but they are separated. Here, I mix it between XNA and sensor platform, but this is not a necessity, okay? Each one can work separately. Any other questions? Okay, that's it.
Thank you.
Thank you.